So here we have a polynomial graph, and g of x is this f of x plus 2. What must be true of g of x? So what that means is that it's this graph shifted up 2 units. So I think what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to use the answer choices to kind of help me decide what's true. So let's start with g of negative 2 equals 3. Well, g of negative 2 is going to be f of negative 2 plus 2. Well, f of negative 2, we don't really have. It doesn't give us. So that doesn't really make any sense. So that can't be true. G of 0. Well, this is going to help me check both of these. So f of 0 is 3. And if I add 2 to that, I get 5. So this one is wrong. And then I need to check this one, because if this is true, I need both of them to be true. So now g of 1. Well, that's f of 1 is negative 2. And negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So this one works out for both. So C is the answer. So for that one, I think it's good to just strategically work through the answers, figure out which one has both of them true. And also keeping it straight that this is the graph of f. So we need to use that first and then add 2.